Welcome, little friends, how are you? Are you ready to learn?
Yay!
Today, we are learning to read simple sentences about the weather. It is sunny. Repeat after me. It is sunny. Your turn. Very good, little friend. Now, let's read together. It is sunny. Next sentence. I am hot. Repeat after me. I am hot. Your turn. Well done, little friend. Now, let's read together. I am hot. Next sentence. It is snowy. Repeat after me. It is snowy. Your turn. Very good, little friend. Let's read together. It is snowy. Next sentence. I am very cold. Repeat after me. I am very cold. Your turn. Good job, little friend. Now, let's read together. I am very cold. Next sentence. It is rainy. Repeat after me. It is rainy. Your turn. Well done, little friend. Now, let's read together. It is rainy. Next sentence. My boots are wet. Repeat after me. My boots are wet. Your turn. Well done, little friend. Now, let's read together. My boots are wet. Good job, little friend. I'm so proud of you. Now, let's read all the sentences together. It is sunny. I am hot. It is snowy. I am very cold. It is rainy. My boots are wet. You did very well, little friend. Thank you for learning. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.